Hello friends, welcome to GCA. Hope you all are doing good and your preparation is on the right lines. So today's video is regarding my narration starting line which I followed throughout my SSB journey. As many asked me on Instagram like what was my narration starting line before the actual narration of the story. So as you all are aware that narration play a major role in getting screened in because this is the most important factor in clearance of stage 1. So I thought of making a video regarding this so that it can be explained in a better way. And here I'm going to tell you with the help of an example. And yes, one more thing, I'm not saying that you should also follow this starting line because everybody have different way of speaking, different expression. So design your own starting in whichever you way find it easy, because the narration, as I already said, is an important part and the starting of the narration should be crisp and short. So again, without wasting any time, let us start. So an example picture is shown in front of you. So as you all are aware that while narrating, we have to give out certain basic details like the number of characters, their gender, their mood and their age. So let us first note down certain basic details. So from the picture you can see there are total of 2 characters, both are males, and the one character who is sitting on the chair, he is looking in the age group of 30 to 35 and he is in the positive mood. And you can see the second person who is standing, he is looking in the age group of 20 to 25 and he is in the neutral mood. So these are the basic details according to me because the perception varies from person to person. Now let us start with the narration. Gentlemen, from the picture shown, I perceived 2 characters, both males. One was in the age group of 30 to 35 and he was in positive mood. And my main character Ajay, he was in the age group between 20 to 25, he was in the neutral mood. And action of my story is submitting the final report. So these are my starting lines, and after action of this story, you have to narrate the main crux. You can make it more simple, like instead of gentlemen, you can also use the word friends because friends word is more easy. And instead of word perceived, you can also simply say friends. From the picture shown, I saw 2 characters because the main thing is we have to give it very short and in very crisp way. So these lines are only for your help as a sample. So if you want to follow these, it is purely your choice or you can design your own. So friends, this is all about today's video and I hope it will be helpful for you. So till then, keep working hard, keep preparing and keep supporting. Thank you and best of luck.